The first ever film function I ever went to was a Filmfare Award. It was at now the Tulip Star Hotel, तब वो Centaur Hotel हुआ करता था. And it was very memorable because it was round table seating. सब लोग बैठे हुए थे, awards हुए. As soon as the awards got over, everybody got up and the entire platform, which was built on top of the swimming pool, collapsed. So that you're never going to forget as a teenager. So yeah, I remember that. We go home after a very long time.
Yes. So and you guys.
So if you win a Filmfare, you know that night is going to be very epic. I still remember when I won my first ever Filmfare, two friends of mine, Fardeen and Goldie Behel, you know, threw a party for me that very night, and we came back in the morning. So yeah, and if you win a Filmfare, actors don't generally remember how they got home. So yeah, so it's a huge cause for celebration. But for me, my Filmfare awards are in my office. Well, I think you'd be a fool if you're going to compete with Amitabh Bachchan. So, you know that's a race you're going to lose for sure. So no, but he's most excited about the awards that I've won, and thankfully my entire family has been present for all the times I won a Filmfare, and it's a moment I wanted to share with them. Jitesh Pillai.
Is he going to perform?
He's the opening act. You to see Jitesh dance, he's got some major moves. I've seen Jitesh at one Filmfare party actually. You don't forget those visuals very fast. And Jitesh is the opening act. At the head of the red carpet, he'll be performing. So his is the act you're always going to look forward to.